Hello everyone, welcome back to Rubik's Automate Academy. As you already know, what is today's agenda from the previous video if you watched it. If you haven't, then please watch it. You can find the link at the top or down below. The agenda is to learn how to create and use functions. Today we will just do programming and also learn more about functions. So let's get started. Creating a function doesn't require much work. Python tends to make things fast and easy for you. I will name the function hello. You can say greeting, message, first function, anything you like. We will start by saying def keyword. It tells Python that you are creating / defining a function. Def means define. Next, we will type the name, which is hello in this case. Then you add a set of parentheses. They are important because they define any requirements for using the function. They are also called arguments. You will learn them in the next video. The colon at the end of the statement tells Python that you are done defining the way in which people will access the function. Now we will add task that will be executed when you call the function. I will say print this is my first Python function. You can say anything you would like. Since we have completed creating the function, now we can run it. As you see, we get nothing. There are no errors here. The reason is we didn't call the function, meaning we have just defined it. We haven't used it yet. So many people forget to call the function once they have defined it. To call the function, we have to access it. You simply type the name with a set of parentheses. Now let's run this again. And this time we get the desired results. Every function you create will provide a similar pattern of usage. You type the keyword, function name, and open parenthesis, and a required input, a closing parenthesis, and a colon. After you press enter, you add the task. Lastly, you call the function. So everyone, I will end the video now. I hope you understood how to create functions and use them. If you learned something new, then hit that like button. In the next video, I will teach you arguments. They are very important in functions. They make the functions more interesting. You will find more in that video. I will see you in the part 3 of functions. Bye bye.